Cholesterol can be good and bad. Good cholesterol is high density lipoprotein, and bad cholesterol is low density lipoprotein. Good cholesterol allows for healthy arteries, is useful, and allows the red blood cells to flow freely through our blood vessels. Bad cholesterol causes plaque and narrows our arteries, and too much plaque can lead to diseases, blockages, and heart attacks. Lipoproteins are basically cholesterol in the blood. They're composed of several things like proteins, phospholipids, triglycerides, free cholesterols bound to fatty acids. Lipoproteins are particles made of lipids and proteins. That's why they're called lipoproteins. And they transport the cholesterol and other fats in the bloodstream. They include different types like the low density lipoproteins, the high density lipoproteins we just talked about, and or very low density lipoproteins, which have distinct functions such as carrying cholesterols to the cells or back to the liver. A specific type of lipoprotein is a cholesterol-laden particle that can significantly increase heart disease risk and is largely determined by genetics. A phospholipid, which was one of the layers of the lipoprotein, is basically a very interesting object, or a building block, you can say, in biology, which allows separating two different layers, is often used in creating divisions inside a cell. So the way it works is there is a tail called the hydrophobic tail, and there's a head called the hydrophilic head. The head attracts water or liquid, and the tail repels it. So if you put a membrane where you have heads pointing out and tails pointing in, it makes sure that the liquids on both sides stay separated, as the tails will repel it and not allow liquid in between the membrane. And in this way, we can separate the different parts of the cell, or the different liquids in it, divide. And so here you can see the phospholipids are being used to separate this lipoprotein particle from the rest of the cell.